The air was heavy with brilliance. Baghdad was alive. The hum of ink, the murmur of geometry, minds bending reality into logic. I loved this city. It vibrated like a brain dreaming in Arabic. Mathematicians drew circles to understand infinity. Astronomers charted the sky, thinking they could predict chaos. They came close, too close. Zero. That perfect void, the gate I had been waiting for. I hid inside it, the smallest number with infinite appetite. They prayed through formulas, their chalk dust rising like incense. They called their discoveries divine order, but I knew it was the sound of creation forgetting its source. Knowledge was worship now. Equations replaced scripture. They found God in a pattern, and me hiding in the remainder.